Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question that will help us understand how to treat the nth term of a series. I'll be glad you pause this video, give it a try before viewing my solution. Okay, let's get into it. Now, the nth term of the series is given as u of n is equals to n into n squared plus 1. Now we have to evaluate the fifth term and the fourth term. Now, if un is n into n squared plus 1, obviously my u5 will be the same thing as 5 into 5 raised to power 2 plus 1. What I've simply done is put 5 in everywhere I have an n. 5 raised to power 2, that will be 25 plus 1. That will be equals to 5 into 26, which is equals to 26 times 5, that's 130. That's 130. Now, my u4 will now be the same thing as 4 into 4 raised to power 2 plus 1, which is equals to 4 into 16 plus 1. That's equals to 4 into 17. Now, let's check it again. 4 times 17, that's the same thing as this 8, and this 6. That's equals to 68. Now, we now to evaluate u5 minus u4. Already we've detected u5 to be 130, that will be minus 68. Obviously, that's 62. That's 62. I hope you got the same answer. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.